In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade to black in CapCut. Fading to black is one of the simplest and most effective ways to end a video, transition between scenes, or add a dramatic pause. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the very beginning, so even if you're new to CapCut, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, open CapCut on your device and create a new project. If you've already got a project started, just open that instead. Import the clip or clips you want to work with by tapping to add them to your timeline. Once your footage is laid out along the bottom of the screen, make sure you can see the part of your video where you want the fade to black to happen. This is usually at the end of your final clip, but you can also place it between two clips if you want a fade out, then a cut to something new. Next, tap the clip where you want the fade to begin so it's highlighted. Look for the options that appear at the bottom of the screen. You should see a section called Animation, or something similar, depending on your version of CapCut. Go ahead and tap that. Inside, you'll see options like In, Out, and sometimes Combo. For a fade to black at the end of your clip, choose Out, since we're focusing on how the clip ends. Scroll through the available animations until you find the one labeled Fade or Fade Out. When you tap it, you'll see a preview of your clip smoothly darkening to black at the end. This is exactly what we want. Now, pay attention to the duration slider. This controls how long the fade effect lasts. If you drag it to the left, the fade will be quick and snappy. If you drag it to the right, the fade will be slower and more gradual. A duration of around 1 to 2 seconds usually works well, but feel free to adjust it to match the mood and pacing of your video. Once you're happy with the way the fade looks, play back the last few seconds of your clip to double-check. Watch how the video transitions into black and listen to your audio too. If your audio cuts abruptly, you may want to add an audio fade-out to match the visual fade, which helps everything feel more polished. When you're satisfied with the result, tap the Export button at the top and save your video. CapCut will render your project, and your video will now end with a clean, professional fade to black.